Guys, I am at work and it's this beautiful weight room that I will use. So no, I'm not going to be in a garage today. Actually, this is just going to be like a 15-minute, 5-minute, 10-minute, whatever I got to do real quick before I get back to work. So check it out. Do some pull-ups, then use this beauty right here. Oh my God, look at that. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Yes, beautiful. So let's get it real quick. I'm just gonna do some pull-ups and try this this machine right here. So let's get it real quick. Quick. I'm talking about 5 minutes, okay? I know I said 10, but I gotta go. Sneaking some in real quick. Get a couple sets in and that's it. Yeah, today isn't my an upper body workout for me. I gotta do lower body when I get back home in the garage. But I'm just gonna level up real quick, sneak in a little extra work. Let's get about 2 more sets of that. One more set. All right. Woo! Okay, we're gonna move over to the last thing. This is just a quick workout. This is a little more behind the scenes of what you would normally see. Normally I don't take you on my break, but normally I don't do a hard cool down. I just like slowly cool down by walking back and forth until I catch my breath, okay? So I'm gonna do about 60 more seconds. I'm not gonna make you wait the 60 seconds, but I'm gonna do about 60 more seconds and then move to the next exercise. Yeah, those wide grips take some energy. Always do wide grips, guys. I really don't do the close grips. It's just my preference. Man, it makes me want to get out of the garage and go to a gym. But I got this whole gym to myself right now. So, big difference. And it's AC in here too, so. All right, here we go. So this machine is totally new. Never done it before. Let's try it, and then I'm going to get out of here. God, that hurts. That right there, that hurts. And I was on 27, but it was so tough because I never done this before. Actually, it was just tough, okay? Regardless if I did this before or not, that was tough. So I lowered it to about 17 pounds on each side, and you can feel that isolation. So anyway, I kind of showed you more of my routine as far as like what I do in between the sets. I normally just walk back and forth to catch my breath. And yeah, you know, that's just my technique. That's what I do. I don't just sit down and recover like that. So I like to keep the heart rate going. I like to keep things moving, and I like to be progressive in what I do. So there you have it, a real quick workout. And I'll see you in the next video in John's Garage, baby, where we're gonna level up, do our thing. You're gonna do your thing. Make sure you leave some comments. Make sure you like this stuff. All right.